Hey everybody, so I am in Palm Springs again and about to embark on a trail hike here at the Andreas trailhead here in the Indian Canyons just south of Palm Springs. I'm going to take you along with us, so hope you enjoy the hike. There's a house up there. Houses. This is a good shot for a quick selfie here, babe. Yeah. Please stay on trail. Will do. Got a little water track in here. It's a pretty good view. Pretty cool. Now we come down into the Oasis part along this river. Pretty easy trail though. Ooh, there's some kind of squirrel or something running up. It's a desert squirrel. Is there such a thing? Oh, here's a lizard. It's hard to see coming up. He's like, I'll just freeze and then keep going. It's like clouds are coming in or something. I feel like we're in another land or something. The land before time. It's kind of nice to have this part on the back end now. Yeah. We're almost in because that's we're headed that way. It's a quarter mile in, so a quarter mile left. Oh, so clear. Sure. Thank you. Gotta stay hydrated out here, folks.
What did you say?
Gotta stay hydrated. Is that it? This is the oldest oasis of these types of palm trees.
I think so.
They're huge.
I think that's what I read. They look like Cousin It.
Yeah, they do, you're right. Well, that was a wonderful little hike. We got to see a lot of cool stuff. We experienced different terrains. I'm glad that we did the hot part first. And now good luck for us getting the Uber back. So that's our review on the trail, everybody. You should definitely try to do it if you're out here. It does help if you have a rental car, some kind of transportation to get to the trailhead. We Ubered here, and our Uber driver, this is the first time he's ever been out here. So definitely good to have your own wheels. It's $12 for adults. Yeah, it's definitely worth seeing if you are in the Palm Springs area. Thanks for watching. You know what to do. Give a like, subscribe, or smash the bell, and love to hear your comments. If you've been here before, I'd love to hear that too. And safe travels. We'll see you next time.